Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player. Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Tuesday, the 24th of July, 2018, just getting on 9:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Sorry for not being around yesterday for my videos. I played hooky. Really that simple. When we're looking at what's going on in the markets, you've got earnings. Yesterday was the blowout numbers for Google and Alphabet. I did a show on Tic-Toc on Bloomberg about it yesterday. In fact, even though I was off, I did do a show because that's radio I could do there. And to make a long story short, now that we get one of the FANG stocks reporting, the others are coming in and expectations are they're going to be stellar. We're seeing today that we're getting a little bit of a lift in the metal markets for a change. The reason is change in policy in China. They are now going back to a stimulus policy. I think they're going to lower their growth observations from 6 to 7% down to 5 to 6% when it's all said and done. And this is, again, part of the tariff issue that is going on. We have this week Jean-Claude Juncker coming to the United States from Europe, trying to work out a deal with President Trump, talking about cars and things of that nature, try to remove tariffs. Mexico statement today said that they think within a few months, at the most, they can have a deal wrapped up. I don't know. They were talking August. Now they're talking longer deals than that. The dollar index, as you can see, under something of an assault today, as most of the currencies are stronger against the dollar. Even Japan is talking, maybe this experiment isn't working that they're doing on this forever easy monetary policy. Soybeans came off the lows rather nicely just now. Bonds and notes, fairly stable. Bids coming back into crude. If you get my nightly updates, I wrote last night, I said, something's not making sense. You've got Iran threatening again, like they did many years ago, to shut the Strait of Hormuz. They can do it with small ships. They can put mines in there. Yes, the Navy can keep clearing it, but it would snarl traffic. And I think the market's getting something of a bid today back over it when it thought that through. In looking at the day's data, the Richmond Fed numbers, thumbs up. 2, they expected, it was a +2, they expected 16, the prior was 20. Not the greatest of it, but everything else comes out pretty good, as you can see through here. So the question is, the manufacturing index, why did that number slip as much as it did? I don't know. But all the other parts were good. Market U.S. preliminary July service sector PMI, 56.2, they expected right there. July manufacturing sector PMI, 55.5, they expected 55, so a little bit better that they got there. China's cabinet made a call for more fiscal spending, abundant liquidity, support for reasonable, I put that in quotes, who the heck knows what that means, fundraising needs of local governments, notorious off-balance sheet financing vehicles, which is a focus of that's their bad debt. They don't even count it. In other words, what I'm writing there, stimulus back in play. They revealed new measures to support growth, such as tax breaks and special bonds for infrastructure investment, hence copper. All you got to do is hear that. I'm going to do infrastructure, rails, electricity grids, it could be anything. Copper goes. China's ambassador to Brazil said that they are set to take agriculture trade to new levels. Of course they are. They got to replace America to a degree. They can't stop buying from us everything necessarily, but I'm wondering where the U.S. is going to get its new partners from. The IHS market today reported the Eurozone composite PMI based on 5,000 businesses fell to 54.3 from 54.9 in June. Expectations were for 54.8. ECB bank lending survey showed a decline in the contribution of fixed investment to a European loan demand in the second quarter. This is not what you want to hear if you're looking to raise interest rates in Europe. With little wage negotiation, Chile's Escondida mine. Traders doubt, and I've written about this in my report, that they can get anything done before next week. With copper prices so low,
I am not sure that the miners, the owners of the mines, want to do anything just yet. And concerning the wheat crop, we keep hearing bad things out of the Black Sea. Well, here you're getting it. They're reducing a crop in the Ukraine to 24.7 million metric tons, off by 3.1% from where they thought they were. So that's quite a bit. Now, you know, I keep talking about, would you like my market research? And it really covers an awful lot. In a nutshell, I write commentary and then trade recommendations, and I can break it down for my subscribers in two ways. One group can get both if they want. The other group at a much reduced price can get only the commentary. But like you're seeing what I'm writing on now, I fill this in. You're only getting the tip of the iceberg with what we're doing. And yes, it'll work on tablets, you can get it on your PCs, and you can get it on mobile phone. I'm going to be doing a new ad about our mobile phone, because if you take and you want to sign up for this, you want to get our mobile app. Why? What if you're driving and you just say to it, play quotes, just like on a Siri or any of the other voices? It'll do it for you. You don't have to sit there and look at your screen. You can set up the way that you want your quote screen. It's going to tell you what you've got. Charts, lots of news, and my information and my videos play in there. So to get a free trial, give us a call, go to our website, click up here. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a good day, and I'll see you all this afternoon with our end of the day videos.